How's it going, everybody? Anything Unbox here. And today we have a flashlight with some batteries. Alright, so let's start off. The used in every video knife here. Just leave that there. We got the battery chargers thing. Ooh, bubble wrap. Oh, very nice flashlight. Ultra fire. Make sure you can see it. Very nice. Okay. Oh, damn, bubble wrap. Okay, we got another one. Okay, here we got battery. Another one. And another one. And another one. Alright, well, obviously these go in here to charge it, to charge the batteries. And also, obviously, they go inside the flashlight. Alright, so that's pretty much it. And well, don't forget to check out our other channel, Anything Reviewed, where we actually try out what we unbox. So don't forget to check that out. Right, well, later.